Get ready to test your knowledge of Texas's biggest hurricanes, like the ones we've been talking about the last few weeks. Question 1. What date did the storm of 1900 hit Galveston? The answer is C, September 9th, what we'd call a Category 4 storm. Question 2. What year did the U.S. Weather Bureau, now NOAA, start naming hurricanes after females? The answer is D, 1953. Audrey in 1957 was the first big-name storm to hit Texas. Question 3. True or false? A young Dan Rather made broadcasting history in 1961 by showing the first live weather radar of a hurricane with a coastal map on television. Answer is true. He helped convince tens of thousands to flee and saved countless lives. Question 4. Harvey made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane in 2017. What category was Ike in 2008? The answer was A. Ike was a strong Category 2 when it hit Galveston. Well, I hope you aced the quiz. I'm taking my summer break. Y'all have a nice rest of your summer and stay safe. But it's your Texas. Own it.
From the blood-soaked ground of the Alamo, to the dust of the cattle trails, to the stars above Houston, this is the Texas story. And it's just getting started.